Welcome to my channel, Learn Mechanical Engineering. I'm Ahmed. In this video, we will explore the chiller system, what it is, how it works, and its main components. Stay with us until the end to get a clear and simple understanding. So, what is a chiller system? A chiller is a device that cools water by lowering its temperature. This chilled water is then circulated through a network of pipes to air conditioning units inside the building, where it cools the air in various rooms and areas. But why do we use chiller systems? Chillers are primarily used in large buildings such as hospitals, malls, hotels, and airports, where traditional air conditioning systems are inefficient or consume too much power. Chillers provide centralized cooling with higher energy efficiency and more uniform temperature control throughout the building. How does a chiller work? The system consists of four main components. Compressor compresses the refrigerant gas and increases its temperature. Condenser cools the gas and turns it into a liquid. Expansion valve reduces the pressure of the refrigerant liquid in preparation for evaporation. Evaporator absorbs heat from the water, thereby cooling it. There are two main types of chillers based on the cooling method. Air-cooled chillers use air to cool the condenser. Water-cooled chillers use water and are generally more efficient for large-scale applications. In conclusion, chiller systems are an excellent solution for cooling large buildings. They offer high efficiency, reduced energy consumption, and consistent cooling throughout the facility. Now, let's explain in detail how the water cooling system works using a chiller in production lines. The system consists of three main components: the chiller, responsible for cooling the water; the pump group, pompa grubu, used to circulate water through the system; the production line, yudam hati, where the cold water is used and heat is generated during industrial processes. System operation steps. Step 1, the supply line, also called the flow line, is connected from the chiller outlet to the pump group. The pumps create sufficient pressure to push the chilled water through the pipelines toward the production line. Step 2, after passing through the pumps, the cold water is delivered to the production line, where it is used to cool machinery or in other industrial cooling applications. Step 3, during production processes, the water absorbs a certain amount of heat, causing its temperature to rise. As a result, it becomes hot water due to the heat exchange happening in the production area. Step 4, after use, the hot water returns directly through the return line to the chiller, where it is cooled again, thus completing a continuous loop. Technical notes: this system operates in a closed-loop circuit, ensuring high efficiency in both water and energy usage. Temperature sensors can be installed on the return line to monitor and control the water temperature entering the chiller for optimal performance. This type of system is commonly used in industrial production lines that require stable and continuous cooling. That brings us to the end of this video. If you found the explanation helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And please hit the like button to support us in creating more valuable educational content. Final tips: always make sure you understand how mechanical systems work. This will help you troubleshoot issues more effectively in the future. Don't rely solely on theory, try to connect everything with real-life applications. Stay up to date with the latest technology in HVAC and cooling systems, as the industry is constantly evolving. Remember, simplifying concepts doesn't mean reducing information, it means deeper understanding. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll dive into another important topic in the world of mechanical engineering. Thank you for watching. This is Ahmed, signing off.